What is reciprocity? Broadly construed, reciprocity is the expectation that people will respond to each other in similar ways, such as responding to gifts and kindnesses from others with similar benevolence of their own, and responding to harmful, hurtful acts from others with either indifference or some form of retaliation. Put simply, reciprocity is the practice of exchanging things with others for mutual benefit, especially privileges granted by one person or group of people to another. According to scholars, there are three main types of reciprocity, namely, generalized reciprocity, balanced reciprocity, and negative reciprocity. Generalized reciprocity refers to a form of reciprocity which often involves exchanges within families or friends. There is no expectation of a returned favor. Instead, people simply do something for another person based on the assumption that the other person would do the same thing for them. As we can see, this type of reciprocity is related to altruism. Balanced reciprocity involves a calculation of the value of the exchange and an expectation that the favor will be returned within a specified time frame. For example, someone might exchange something they have, whether it is a skill or tangible item, for something of perceived equal value. Negative reciprocity is a form of reciprocity which happens when one party involved in the exchange is trying to get more about it than the other person. Selling a much-needed item at an inflated price is one example of negative reciprocity. It is important to note that reciprocal actions differ from altruistic actions in that reciprocal actions only follow from others' initial actions, while altruism is the unconditional act of social gift-giving without any hope or expectation of future positive responses. Some distinguish between ideal altruism, that is, giving with no expectation of future reward, and reciprocal altruism, that is, giving with limited expectation, or the potential for expectation of future reward. It is also important to note that reciprocity is not only a strong determining factor of human behavior, it is a powerful method for gaining one's compliance with a request. This is because the rule of reciprocity has the power to trigger feelings of indebtedness even when faced with an uninvited favor, and irrespective of liking the person who executed the favor.